everybody. Today I'm going to show you a promo of the new Windows CEMeNT Beta 2. These are bug fixes to the standard Windows CEMeNT operating system. So here we are, booted into the GUI of Windows CEMeNT operating system. Now the first few immediate changes that you'll notice is that we've changed the Stark logo to a gray Windows logo. You can still see the Windows logo in there. And we have the new Select Your Time Zone feature. Oh yes, and let's not forget, now we have the full set of Plus themes, including their screensavers. Some other things we have to show you here. Over here we have we've removed the energy, we've removed that power logo and just made it like this, so it looks a bit better. Here's our task manager. Please mind this bug. Just think of it as Windows Media Player. Speaking of which, we have version 10, thanks to Windows Media Player 10 running on Windows 2000. And I added a Windows Media Player 11 skin. So yeah. And our default web browser is Opera. Your Windows CEMeNT Update API. Command prompt. System properties. Windows CEMeNT 5.0 beta release 2012 Microsoft Corporation. Yeah. DirectX Diagnostics tool. Windows CEMeNT Professional. Yeah, I don't have a seller on this, guys. Please ignore it. DirectX 9. So, yeah. Winger. Amazing. Figures off Windows CEMeNT. Memory available to Windows CEMeNT that much. Okay. That's actually the first time that it actually did that. It actually cleared out the thing. Let me see. Alright, let me show you some more things in this operating system. Please excuse me. Now in the control panel, we have removed the web view due to the fact that it shows Windows 2000 text in here. So you just have to click on one of these control panel icons and just view it over here to see what it does. Here's the other WinVer. Here's your system folder. The operating system is very stable. I've tested so far and absolutely no crashes and no bugs. Yes, it's very late at where I am, but I'm on vacation at school, so I can go as late as I want. Here's a sidebar. It's been changed ever since the beta. So yeah, it's basically very updated now. So yeah. I even got this dialogue. Here's it viewed clean. We're using 2.55 gigabytes, and as the Windows CEMeNT promise says, it's always under 3 gigabytes. We've kept a record of not building anything over 3 gigabytes, and that record is kept with us strongly. Yet, with that much limitation, we're able to do this much work. Just think about it. Here's T-Clock 3. I disable the true transparency here because it's a bit quicker on here. We're going to increase the taskbar's transparency a bit. Shall we? That's good. Not as transparent as the Windows Vista start bar. Definitely not as transparent as Windows 7 though. That's too much. So yes. Overview of the device manager. Any other anomalies? You can set whatever program you want default. And here's some plus. Let's look at the themes that you get. Yes, you pretty much get the point. So yeah, all this stuff just for you. Calculator. Let's perform basic calculations. Yeah, that was random. Okay, now since I've shown you everything in the Windows CEMeNT operating system, let me show you the Opera web browser before we leave. So let's shut it down because I've shown you everything in Windows CEMeNT.